So, hi everyone. I am M. Purnima Devi, working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. Now, I am going to discuss about Introduction to R. So, Introduction to R. So, R play an important role in nowadays. So, we already know how many languages are in our computer science and information field. So C, C++, Java, um, JavaScript, all the languages we used. So now this our language is very famous and using very high rated in all the industries. So we'll cover. So what is R? So R programming is an open source world program. So in open source network we can access our programming through online online websites. So it is an open source world. So how to obtain and install R? So in we can obtain and install R from using R Studio. How to read and export data? So we can also read and export data from the input command. So how to do basic statistical analysis, econometric packages in R. So packages we already know about packages in Java, JavaScript, etc. So from that all the things are collected into one thing, and that is known as packages that play an important role in R. So what is R? So it is a software for the statistical data analysis. So based on S. So programming environment, interpreted language and data storage. So analysis and graphing, free and open source software. Yes, it is an free and open source software. So anyone can in the world can, without install we can run the program in online compiler by using it. So it is an open source software. So obtaining R current version. So current version R 2.00 comprehensive R archive network http slash CRAN or project organization binary source codes Windows executables compiled RPMs for Linux can be obtained on a CD. Installing R binary Windows or Linux one step progress EX RPM Red Hat Mandrake APT Get Debian. So Linux from sources. So tar is at xvf file name dot tar we can using we can save it from file x tar g z. So in slash symbol cd file name. So we also used to implement using cd file name sort dot slash configure make check make install starting or Windows, double click on desktop icon. So we installed the program what is mean R and we double click the program. So Windows, double click on desktop icon. From the Linux type or at command prompt. So using that symbol or Linux type or at command prompt. Strengths and weakness. Strengths: free and open source, strong user community, highly extensible, flexible implementation of high and statistical methods, flexible graphics, and intelligent defaults. Weakness: steep learning curve, slow for large data sets. Basics: highly functional, everything done through functions, strict named arguments, abbreviations in arguments. Okay. So example T for true, object oriented, everything is an object. So the symbol is an unsigned operator x. X gets the value 5. Getting help in or from documentation. What I want to know, help. What I want to know, help search. What I want to know, help start. Get anywhere. What I want to know. Example the what I want to know. Documents introduction to our active mailing list achieves directly asking questions on the list. Data structure supports virtually any type of data, numbers, characters, logicals, true or false. Arrays of visually unlimited sizes, simplest vectors and matrices. List can contain mixed type variables, data frame, rectangular data set. Data structure in R, so linear and rectangle, all same type. Vectors, matrix, so mixed list, data frame, running or directly in the windowing system console using editors now. Notepad, Win, EDT, Thin or Windows, Xmax, ESS, Xmax, speak statistics on the editor source. File name or outputs can be diverted by using sync file name route. Working area. So this is an working area of R. This is the area where all commands are issued and non-graphical outputs observed when run interruptly in an OR session. First, read data from the other sources. Use packages, libraries, and functions. Write functions wherever necessary. Conduct statistical data analysis. Save outputs to files. Write tables. Save or workspace if necessary. Exit prompt. Thank you. So we here discuss about introduction to R.